Hello guys, and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Wanted to bring up some information sort of as a reminder for those of you who know, and as I would say necessary information for those of you new to the space. Quick discussion starts off with Bob Way. Bob Way had mentioned a few times about the growth of XRP, Ripple, RippleNet, etc. His point was, once we had two central banks, it was game over. Basically, that Ripple would win or XRP would win. So as we move along, I wanted to bring up something. XRP Neo had posted on Twitter, why do you think Bob Way focused on atomic settlement between central banks? If this would not be a focus for Ripple, then why would he mention it and discuss it that much? Add the fact that Ripple works with 40 to 50 central banks. Just adding to the point of Bob Way, he focused so much on the central bank issue. So now I'm going to share just a couple of examples. I didn't go extremely deep, but I also have a surprise at the end that I was actually unaware of. In this search to provide information to the community, just for your future knowledge, Ripple CEO says Bank of England is a paid client of XRP. Again, many of us knew this as well. So we are talking, one central bank right there. Number two, from the XRP Daily, the Bank of Canada. Bank of Canada and Monetary Authority of Singapore have sent each other digital currencies. And something here, Bank of England working with Ripple on proof of concept. So again, you have the Bank of Canada, the Bank of England, and of Singapore. So there we have three. We're beyond the two necessary, as Bob Way had said, for game to be over, so to speak, or in our case, to just begin. I wanted to share this. We'll see how it's going to work out on this computer. Hopefully it's not a lag. If worst case, hopefully the audio will play correctly. But this is Ubin Jasper from Sri Lanka discussing the CBDC, or Central Bank Digital Currencies, of Canada and Singapore being ready for partial implementation. Short clip for those of you who are unable to view the screen. It's 1 minute, 11 seconds. Hopefully the audio comes through just fine.
What about digital currencies? Innovative technologies are offering a complementary approach for the development of virtual currencies or private digital currencies. A rapid rise and spread of fintech is compelling central banks to monitor and analyze their implications. A digital currency allows two users to exchange value digitally without the need for an intermediary. Central banks so far have been very wary and cautious about allowing these types of transactions. There seems to be a more accommodative approach to e-fiat currencies or central bank digital currencies. However, here again, there is still caution pending greater study and understanding. However, we have seen some progress. Sweden, Denmark, and Norway have already established the relevant infrastructure and legal framework to issue CBDCs. And Canada and Singapore are ready for partial implementation. Central banks have outlined some of the issues regarding the implementation of CBDCs, as they have huge operational consequences and implications in implementing monetary policy and in achieving the twin objectives of price and financial system stability.
All right, hopefully that was able to be heard there. Basically, Ubin Jasper discussing the central banks using and ready for partial implementation, which is extremely exciting because the major point that Bob Way continued to make within the community was having 2, and here we have 3. Another thing that was kind of a surprise for me, while I was pulling up on the Bank of England, I found PWC. Our project with PWC looked at possible applications of blockchain and distributed ledger technology. Immediately below, we have Ripple. We carried out a proof of concept with Ripple to explore the synchronized movement of 2 different currencies across 2 different real-time gross settlement systems, linked using Ripple Connect and the Interledger protocol. We wanted to demonstrate how this kind of synchronization might lower settlement risk and improve the speed and efficiency of cross-border payments. When I read that and I saw that, the first thing that came to mind was Ripple PWC. PWC official affirms Ripple's XRP is a great example of crypto markets maturity. And immediately, the second thought that came to mind was PWC and Vechain help Walmart China build its blockchain traceability system. So through the Bank of England, PWC works with Ripple, Vechain, and the Bank of England. So that is very exciting to connect Vechain with PWC and Ripple, much less a central bank. All right, I hope you're having a great night, and hopefully the sound came through. There was a little bit of delay on the Ubin Jasper from Sri Lanka, but hopefully it came through well enough that you could hear and understand. Again, this is not financial advice, and we are here for entertainment purposes only. And we will catch you in the next one. Whoop, one more thing though. All of the information will be available in the description. Night.